So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll down a little bit, then you tap on the settings app to open it. So let's tap on it and now scroll down and try to tap on app management. Now tap on app list, wait for it to load, and after loading tap on the storage lines or the three dots, then you tap on the show system. Now tap on the search applications and type in Google. Then you type in PL, you're going to see this, which is the Play Store and the Google Play services. So let's select the first option. Now tap on notifications. Tap over here on allow notifications. Go back. And what you have to do next is to make sure the storage and cache, you tap on it. Tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure it's turned on. So after turning it on, go back and tap on the first stop, which is down below. Tap on OK. Now what you have to do after doing this is to go to Google Play Store. So you have to do the same thing. So tap on notifications, allow notification, turn it on. Storage and cache, tap on it. Clear cache. Go back. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is on. Now go back and tap on force stop. Tap on OK. So after doing this, tap on the three lines or the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on install update when it pops up. When this also pops up, tap on OK over here. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone wallpaper or phone menu. Tap on the power button for some while and you're going to see these two options. This is the power off and restart. Select the restart. Other device you're going to see reboot. You just have to select the reboot or restart button. Then you try to restart your device and this problem is going to get fixed after restarting your device. Please, if it doesn't work for you, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'm going to help you out with a different method. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.